Hey guys, how you doing? Yes, my name is Kathura Kimathi and welcome to my channel, Learn Maths with Kazu. So in our last lesson, when we were talking about writing numbers in expanded form, I left you with one practice question. Did you try answering the question? If it doesn't ring a bell, I'll leave the link in the description box below so that we are all on the same page. Okay? Now that we've tried answering the question, let's now work it out together. What was the question? Write this number in expanded form. Okay? Okay, so how do we write numbers in expanded form? Do you remember? What did we say? We said that writing a number in its expanded form simply means that you'll have to write the numbers in terms of their place values, okay? So it's a way of writing numbers to see the math values of the individual digits. Now that you have that background, answering this question will be a walk in the park. So we can draw a table like the one we drew last time. We can draw a table that has 3 columns. The first column will be the digits, the second column will be the place value, and the third column will show how the total value is derived. Okay? So let's start answering the question. So what is the place value of 1 in this number? The place value is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, so the place value will be 100,000. And we said that the total value is derived by multiplying the digit and the place value. So this total value will be derived by multiplying 1 times 100,000. Okay? Okay, the place value of 2 is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So our total value will be derived by multiplying 2 times 10,000. Okay? And if you don't remember what we said about total value, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay? The place value of 3 is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands. So that means that the total value will be derived by multiplying 3 times 1,000. Are we together? The place value of 4 is 1, tens, hundreds. Okay? 1, tens, hundreds. So the place value of 4 is hundreds, and the total value will be 4 times 100. The place value of 5 is tens. So here we'll write 5 times 10, okay? The place value of 6 is 1. So here we'll have 6 times 1. Okay? And this is how we write numbers in expanded form. So if you work out what is in the so like whenever we are asked to write numbers in expanded forms, we are expected to show how the total value is derived in our answer. So that means that our final answer will simply add this, okay? So our final answer will be 1 times 100,000 plus 2 times 10,000 plus 3 times 1,000 plus 4 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 6 times 1. Okay, and this is how we write numbers in expanded form. Okay, so if you work out what is in the expanded form, we are supposed to get the original number. Are we together? And that was quite easy, right? Quite easily done. Okay, so now that you've answered that question, we can now go through the topic that I wanted to cover today. So today I'd like us to talk about writing numbers in words and vice versa. Okay, so let's start by learning how to write numbers in words. Okay. So if we have a number like this, if you have a number like this, how do you write this number in words? So anytime we are given a number and we are asked to write it in words, don't forget to include the commas. Commas will help you read the number easier. So, and how do you write the commas? We should always start writing the commas from the right as you go left. Okay? Like from the right, you need to start by counting 3 digits and put a comma after every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay? And I believe you remember what you said about digits. If it doesn't ring a bell, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay? And when we're writing numbers in words, we always start with the first digit. So in our case, the first digit is 8. Okay? And since we have 6 digits after 8, we'll call that 8 million. So this number in words will be 8 million comma 738,000 738,000 926 900 and 26. Okay? And that is how we write that number in words. Okay? So since we've now learned how to write numbers in words, we should also learn how to write words in numbers because they work together. Okay? So writing words in numbers. Okay? And the easiest way to do this is to add the numbers slowly but surely. I will highly recommend that you form a habit of adding the numbers up in order to get the figures until you get comfortable with writing the numbers without adding. Okay? So don't get ahead of yourself. So if you've been given a question like this, 8,986,523, and you've been asked to write this in numbers, what do we do? So let's now write each number by itself. Like, let's try and separate the numbers. Okay? And don't forget to include the commas, okay? So the first part before the comma is 8 million, okay? And you said that a million has how many zeros? A million has 6 zeros, okay? So we'll have 8, 2, okay? And when you're adding, don't forget to line up the digits in order of their place values, okay? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave the link on the place value of whole numbers on the description box below, okay? So let's add, let's add the numbers. So we have 8,986,000, okay? So 986,000, 523, 523, okay? So when you add the numbers, you get 3, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 8. Okay? When you get the numbers, you get this. And that's basically it. Okay? So this is the number in figures. Okay? So, and as usual, I leave you with one question for practice. So, the question that I want to leave you with is what's the total value of 4 in this number? 563 billion 254,328,926. Okay, you can pause the video and answer it. And as per usual, don't forget to practice with more questions until the concept sticks, because practice makes perfect. Okay, math is pretty easy and fun, right? Exactly. If you enjoyed the lesson, feel free to like, share, because sharing is caring, and subscribe so that you don't miss any time I upload a new video. Subscribing is free. Yay! See you in 2 weeks' time. Same place, same time. Bye!